Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send a song on Instagram. So first of all, tap on this camera icon to the bottom left corner and you can capture a photo. Now tap on sticker icon, music, and now here you can select any song or you can search for a particular song using this search box. So I'm gonna selecting this song here, and after that all you have to need just tap on done and tap on send, and that's how you can send a song on Instagram. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.